Hey, I'm Mark, and I wanted to share a video with you about the Replit Gallery that was just launched and one of my apps that got featured. So, if you haven't checked out the Replit Gallery, you can go to replit.com and then check out the gallery. And there are a lot of amazing apps in here. And then also, many of these have been made into templates that you can freely test out yourself. And so, one of those is Journey Mapper. This is one that I created. And you can easily come in here if you want to remix the template. But a journey mapper is essentially a tool that automates a lot of the customer journey mapping. And it's great for product and design teams or anyone that wants to map out a customer journey. And the best way to do it is to test it out yourself. So if you want to get started with remixing the template itself, all you have to do is go to that remix template. And then when you're there, you can take a look. This has been open sourced. And so you can go in and you can see others have already been remixing it. And there's just a preview here. You can also take a look at the code as well. And here's just a README with some instructions and information on how it works, how you can set it up for yourself. And it also shares like the overall open source license information and other information to look at. But once you get this up and running, what you can do is you just click remix template, and then within your own Replit account, you can actually test it out. So I'll actually give you a quick demo. If you click view app here, you can actually go to this yourself and test it out. But what I'll show you here is the actual journey mapper itself. So when you go to the journey mapper from the view app from the Replit gallery, you'll actually end up on a login page. You can use your Replit login to actually log into the app. It uses Replit Auth. And when you get into the app, you'll see that you'll actually get 10 credits. I've been using it and testing it, of course, so I have less. You could also earn more credits if you want to invite people, and you can just give them an invite code and you can invite them, and you'll both get more credits. So, what you can do is you can actually describe the customer journey in your own natural language, and the journey mapper with AI power will create the journey map. So how does it work? I'll go ahead and show you a sample template here, e-commerce customer journey. So when you click generate the journey map, essentially what it's doing is it's taking that and it's analyzing it and it's going to create a visual journey map that'll be displayed in the main screen here. So once that's created, I'll go ahead and show you what else you can do with it. There's some other interesting things you can do. So you can, right from this view, you can see that it created the overall journey. So this is an e-commerce online shopping experience. So they discover the online store, they're browsing on the store. There's a cart abandonment component to this, and then there's a re-engagement, and then they complete the purchase. You can see along the journey the customer emotions: curious, interested, they get frustrated at some point, hopeful, and then they're satisfied at the end, of course, after post purchase. And what's also interesting is you get some AI generated insights down here. So it's giving some suggestions here based off of this specific customer journey. So in this case, improve shipping cost transparency and then effective email remarketing. So not only do you get a very quickly automated AI powered generated journey map, but you also get some insights as well. So let's say you want to edit it. So you can go up to this edit mode and you can actually go in to each section and you can add, you can delete, you can edit the text, and you can actually edit whatever you really want essentially in here. You can even change the emojis if you want to. And then when you're done, you just switch back to view mode and you're no longer in edit mode. Another thing that you can do as well is you can actually save the journey. So if you want to save this for referring back to it later, you can easily do that. You can also delete it if you don't want that one. You can also export this as a PDF. When you do that, it creates a very high resolution PDF of just the journey map itself. So this is kind of an interesting experiment for you to go in, and if you have any journeys that you want to create, one of the main pain points is that creating a journey map is, if you were to do all this from scratch, sure, you can definitely get a template and there's plenty of them out there, but you have to fill it in by hand and everything. What this does is it just gives you a jump start on creating your customer journey. And then you can go in and edit that. You can save it. You can export it as a PDF. And yes, by the way, you can share it with others if you want to. There's a shareable link here that you can use. And if you decide that you don't want this link to be public when you're sharing it, you can just disable the link. That's not a problem. So keep in mind, this is customized to some of the things that I've built upon this original template. So if you go into the remix template, it won't be exactly this exact product because I've gone in and I've added and I've built upon that. But that's the beauty of this. You can actually add to this template yourself if you want to, and you can customize it in any way you want to. So just in summary, this I would recommend checking out the Replit Gallery. There's a lot of other apps in here. It could keep you plenty busy experimenting with all these other apps as well. But if you wanted to give the Journey Mapper a test, definitely give it a try. And by the way, if you do that and you have any feedback, let me know. Would love to hear your thoughts and perhaps any of the apps that you've created as well. And especially if you use the Journey Mapper and you customize it, would love to see any iterations that you might have created because I think we can all learn together, of course. So thanks. Hope you have a good day.